In this video, we'll show how to manage your ecosystem on Tidwit using the Ecosystem Orchestration app. You will learn how to connect to other nodes on the Tidwit network when you need to pull content from them, and how to create your own subnodes when you need to distribute curated sets of content to specific user groups, partners, and customers. To access the Ecosystem Orchestration app, click the corresponding icon from the left bar menu. The map shows your node in the center and all its connections to other nodes. Nodes showing above your node are referred as upstream nodes. These are nodes from which you are pulling content, example, Google, AWS, Microsoft. Nodes showing below your node are referred as downstream nodes. These are nodes to which you can distribute curated sets of content to meet the needs of specific internal user groups or external communities, partners, and customers. To connect to additional upstream nodes, click on the plus button and then click on Add Connection. A panel will open with a comprehensive list of active nodes on the Tidwit network. Click the Connect button underneath the corresponding node to create a connection, and then close the panel. After refreshing the page, the new upstream node will show up on the map and in the table, and you can immediately start adding content from this node by clicking Ecosystem Content, Add Ecosystem Content from the left bar menu. To create a new downstream node, click on the plus button and then click on Create Node. The Node Creation panel will open with all the required details to set up your node. The Node Type field will allow you to create internal nodes versus managed nodes. Internal nodes are exclusively for internal use within your organization. They are useful to curate specific sets of content for targeted user groups like digital services team, new hires, etc. Internal nodes inherit all the branding and properties of your master node, and as such, only internal users can access them. External nodes can be created for people outside your organization. They are useful to distribute specific sets of content to targeted communities like pre-hires, marketing agencies, suppliers, non-profit, etc., and/or partners. Each node has a unique set of required fields and options that are detailed in the corresponding documentation. After refreshing the page, the new downstream node will show up on the map and in the table, and you can access the node menu by right-clicking on the node directly from the map, or by clicking the three dots menu from the table underneath. From the node menu you will be able to edit the node properties, log into the node as an admin, or duplicate the node. Accessing the node as an admin will give you full control over the node branding, configuration, content, reporting, etc. Once your downstream node is fully configured and activate, target users will be able to register or log into the node, and can access the curated content sets that you have prepared for them. Further to the node connection, creation, and management options, the Ecosystem Orchestration application also offers the possibility to create node segments. Can be very useful to organize your downstream nodes into different buckets, example, bronze, silver, and gold partners. Thank you for watching.